Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the essential steps for verifying your Draft2Digital publishing account. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the essential steps for verifying your Draft2Digital publishing account. If you're new to the publishing world, or just starting with Draft2Digital, verifying your account is crucial to ensuring your books get published smoothly and your earnings get credited accurately. Let's break down the process step by step so you can confidently verify your account without any hassle. First, after you've signed up and logged into your Draft2Digital dashboard, navigate to your account settings. Here, you'll find the option for verification prominently displayed. Draft2Digital requires you to verify your email address as the initial step. Check your inbox for a verification email sent by Draft2Digital. If you don't see it within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folders. Once you locate the email, open it and click the verification link provided. This action will confirm your email address and activate further functions in your account. Next, you'll want to verify your identity and payment information, which is essential to receive royalties. In the account dashboard, locate the section labeled Tax and Payment Information. Here, you need to fill out the tax interview form accurately. This form collects required information for tax compliance based on your residency and publishing region. Take your time to enter all details correctly to avoid delays in payments. After completing the tax interview, you will be prompted to set up your preferred payment method. Draft2Digital offers multiple options such as PayPal, direct bank deposit, and checks. Choose the payment method that suits you best and enter the required details. Be sure to double-check all entered information to prevent any payment issues. Once all your details are submitted, Draft2Digital will process your verification, which can take a few hours to a couple of days depending on the volume of requests. You will receive confirmation by email once the verification completes successfully. It's important to keep your contact information and payment details updated to ensure a smooth publishing and payment experience. Remember, each step in the verification process is designed to secure your account and streamline your publishing journey. By following these steps carefully, you ensure your Draft2Digital account is fully verified and ready for seamless book publishing and royalty collection. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more expert publishing tips and guides. Thank you for watching and happy publishing.